Do you sense that compensation still inevitably always makes it to the top one or the top two?
I've yet to see a survey, Nikhil, across, and consultants, have unpeeled the proverbial onion as much as they can. I'm yet to see a survey where the reference to rewards is not there from an employee expectation perspective, at least in the top five, if not the top three. Right. And what we're seeing really is increasing nuances and shades in it. Used to be the quantum of compensation. And of course, it continues to be very, very important. It's the most important aspect of that contract between the employee and the employer. But I think we're seeing increasing nuances to it. Transparency on compensation packages in particular. Right. And in many parts of the world, this is also going to be a regulatory requirement. So, and for a lot of multinational companies that operate across markets, there is a certain base level that needs to be provided across. It's very challenging to be completely, open and transparent in one part of the world and not do that elsewhere. Transparency, fairness, right? How do we communicate the fairness behind it, the thinking behind it, the decisions behind it? How easy is it for me to understand? Do I understand my package, or do I just see, what in India, Nikhil, we would typically refer to as, there's the CTC figure that everybody is chasing. How does that correlate to the money that hits my bank on, on a regular basis? Do I understand that math? So I think yes, but when you break it down to all of this, the transparency, the connect to performance.
Yeah.
Here I am, my supervisor, my leaders tell an employee, great job, outstanding. Does that reflect in the overall compensation impact to me? Does that reflect in the incentive impact to me, for example? So I think yes, they will. There's. I'm yet to see a survey where it doesn't feature, but I think over the last few years, we're seeing these nuances of transparency, fairness, performance connect, ability to understand, communication in a much greater degree. And I think that's the sophistication now that we see in the comp and benefits.